Namaskara. I am Ritvik Suvarna. As we celebrate the NIS Ethnic Day, I would like to represent the place Malpe, which is the natural port in Udupi district in Karnataka, India. The official language spoken here are Tulu and Kannada. I would like to describe the traditional dress of this place. The traditional dresses of Karnataka shows harmony of modernity and culture of the people living in the South Indian state. The traditional dress of the men here is panche, worn with a shirt or a kurta on the top. It is also called lungi or vesti. This is worn underneath the waistline. An anga vastram, which is a silk or a cotton muffler, is set on the shoulder. Let me show you the beauty of the native town Malpe. Malpe is located at the mouth of the Malpe River, about 6 kilometers to the west of Udupi, the temple city of South Karnataka. Stella Maris Church. As you head from Udupi towards Malpe, you will come across a beautiful architectural masterpiece, the Stella Maris Church, which is devoted to Our Lady of Velankani and attracts thousands of pilgrims from around the world. Inspired by the Noah's Ark, Stella Maris Church in Kalmadi is built in the shape of a boat and also has a bell tower in the shape of a lighthouse. It proudly takes the first position in Karnataka, second in India, and third position in Asia. Malpe Beach. The next popular place is a pristine beach situated along the shores of the Arabian Sea at Malpe village. It is an exquisite, unexplored beaches of India. The Malpe beach is an endless stretch of golden sand, graciously swaying palm trees, the clear blue sky, and the clean waters of the Arabian Sea. All these set a perfect mood for an unforgettable holiday. The beach offers a variety of adventure and water sports activities like parasailing, jet ski, banana rides, water scooter rides, surfing, and speedboat cruise. St. Mary's Island. A gentle, comfortable boat ride to St. Mary's Island leaves from Malpe Beach, bringing you to this little island with coconut palms and fascinating hexagonal basalt rocks. Great to climb on and view the beautiful Arabian Sea. These unique rock formations cannot be found anywhere else in India, and Blue Sea can be mistaken for the famed beaches of Maldives. Malpe Sea Walk. The Malpe Beach has a sea walkway with a view of St. Mary's Island and Badargarh Island, as well as the rest of the beach. Beside the sun, sand, and sea, Malpe Sea Walk is a cherry on the top. It also contains beautifully sculptured statues and artwork. As you walk along the 450 meters sea walk, you feel you are amid the sea, as you see the Arabian Sea on one side and the backwaters of the Swarna River on the other. As the sea walkway ends to the midst of the sea and the gentle sea breeze kisses your face, the view from here is breathtaking. Come and do spend your holidays here. Dhanyawad.
Assalamualaikum. मैं छू now in Singapore, but choose Kashmir. Jammu Kashmir is the crown of India. It is one of the most beautiful places on earth. The people of Jammu Kashmir are called Kashmiris. The Hindu Pandits and the Muslim form the majority population of the region. The snow-capped Himalayas form the backdrop of the region. Kashmir has some very beautiful places to visit. The famous ones are Srinagar, Gulmarg, Sonmarg, Pahalgam, and many more. The Mughal king Jahangir rightly said, if there's heaven on earth, it's here, it's here. There are 4 seasons in Kashmir, and every season brings out the beauty of Kashmir. Kashmiri apples, walnuts, almonds, and saffron are world famous. The the Pashmina shawls, Kashmiri embroidery, paper mache articles, carpets are absolutely stunning. Do not forget to have the non-veg and the veg food of Kashmir, and also the specialty called kawa. Have kawa. Shukriya. Assalamu alaikum. मैं छू now Ruchi Kapoor, but choose Kashmir. Today I'm going to make Kashmiri kawa. Kawa is a specialty of Kashmir. Today I'm going to show you how to make kawa. The ingredients are to make kawa: almonds, sliced almonds, 2 cardamom, 1 clove, cinnamon, green tea leaves, sugar, and for taste of sugar. And the main ingredient of kawa is saffron. And 1 cup of water. Now, how do we make a kawa? Boil the water, put all the ingredients, and boil it for 5 minutes. Strain it, and you get your yummy kawa to have. Yes, from Kashmir. Shukriya.
Hello friends, today I am going to present and say a few words about the traditional dish of my state. I represent from the state of Karnataka and the official language is Kannada. Karnataka veg thali is very colorful and has many dishes in it. It is served in a banana leaf for special occasion and celebration. Today in my traditional thali, the dishes are sambar, rice, 2 vegetable dishes, kesari bhat, paisam, which is sweet dish, curd, papadam and pickles. These dishes are prepared in traditional style with South Indian flavor and taste. Also, this thali is a wholesome, very nutritious and a balanced meal. Hope you like it and thank you.